Hi, it's Rosie with Art Helps Heal. Today we're going to be doing the Beak to Beak kit. This combines the art of patterns and the meaning of birds. Birds typically symbolize hope and new beginnings. In your kit, you will get a glue stick, a thinner Sharpie, a normal Sharpie, some black paper, white paper, and bird cutouts. The first step you are going to do is trace your bird onto your black paper. So after you trace it, it should look like this. It's very important that the beak is touching the edge of the black paper. After you do that, you are going to cut the bird out. And then you are going to flip the bird for when you glue it, and you want to make sure that the side that has your pencil is face down so you don't see that part. And then you're going to touch the beaks like that and glue it down like this. When gluing it down, you want to make sure that you do the background side first so it's easier to line up with the bird. So I put glue on my background, and now I'm going to line it up in the corner down here. And then I'm going to push it down around. So now I can line up my bird over here. So when I glue my bird down, it'll be like this. Here are my finished products. I hope you had fun with this kit. I know I did. I did a few. You can always ask for a child life specialist, and if you don't have any of the supplies, they will get you what you need. Thank you.